గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అమ్మ. ఇవాళ మనము డే 35 ఇంటీజర్స్ సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్కి సంబంధించిన వర్క్షీట్ని ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఇంటీజర్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ టీవీలో తర్వాత టీశాట్లో ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్కి సంబంధించిన లెసన్స్ అన్నీ నేర్చుకున్నాం. సో నేర్చుకున్నటువంటి లెసన్ మీద ఇచ్చిన వర్క్షీట్లో మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాము అనేది ఇక్కడ రాసి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్లో రాసి చూపించాలి మనం. సో టెస్ట్ రాయాలి అన్నప్పుడు మనం ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నవన్నీ ఒకసారి గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్ట్రాక్టింగ్ an integer from an integer is nothing but adding its additive inverse. Okay, so when you have to subtract -2 from 6 అంటే 6లో నుంచి -2ని మైనస్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఏమవుతుంది, ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. అది గుర్తుంచుకోండి. రెండు మైనస్లు ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. whenever you get minus of minus, the result will be here, you can see here it will be plus. Okay, so you have to add 6 and 2. Now you know how to add 6 and 2 on number line. From 6 you have to move 2 steps to the right side, you will get the answer. So similarly, when you subtract an integer from a positive integer, you move left side on the number line. That is, you have to subtract 3 from 5. You are writing like this. How do you write symbolically mathematical statement when a sentence is given? You see here, subtract 3 from 5. This is the sentence. And when you write 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, this is mathematical statement. Okay, so how do you do this one on number line here? See, you have to start from 5. How many steps to the left side? 3 steps. Yes. Why? Because it is -3. Okay, so similarly another example that is given in sentence. Sentence is subtract 3 from -5. So from -5 you are moving 3 steps to the left side. So there is a print mistake here. So actually after 5 you should get 6, then -7, -8. There are 2 -6. So you see here carefully, don't write this one as it is. Correct this one and write. Okay, next you have, each time you subtract a negative integer from an integer, you move right side on the number line. That means when you subtract the negative integer, minus of minus becomes plus. When minus of minus becomes plus, that means you have to move right side. You can see here. Okay, so this is how you have to do the subtraction of integers. So start writing from here, conceptual understanding. Okay, write the heading integers, write subtraction of integers, write today's date, write day 35, and start writing the worksheet. And if you have any doubt, you can post it on the group. I'll explain. And then we are taking another example by using the expanded form. So write the expanded form of 343, then subtract 234 from that one. See how you are subtracting, you will get the answer 109. Okay, now this is your homework part. You have to represent these subtractions on the number line. Okay, and here what you have to do, use correct mathematical symbol for the following number line. So these are the negative numbers here, this side left side. These are the positive integers here on the right side. So how do you write this one? Plus 5 minus of -2. So minus of -2 becomes what? Plus. So you will get 7 here. So what will be the answer? See, how do you write the answer for this one? Plus 5. Okay, from plus 5 minus of minus 2 will be equal to how much? Yes, plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. Okay, so this is how you have to write the mathematical symbols for this number line. Similarly, for this one also, how you will write? Yes, where are you starting? First you have to check from where you are starting, then you have to write. So here what is happening, you see, first it is starting from 0 here. Okay, so from 0 minus 3. So first which one you have to write? Minus 3. Okay, so I am writing here minus 3, and from 3 the arrow is moving to right side. Why? Because minus of minus 5. So how do you write minus of minus 5? Like this you have to write. Is equal to how much? First we will write minus 3, and minus of minus becomes plus 5. So we are ending up at 2, you can see here. So this will be equal to 2. So minus 3 minus of minus 5 will become plus 5, which is equal to 2. So you are ending up at 2. So and this you have to simplify. If you have any doubt, you ask me. You can see here, these are the filling the blanks. How do you fill this one? See, minus 5 minus how much will be equal to 9. So you will get 4 here. And for this one, answer is less, no? So what you have to do? Minus of, yes, minus of minus 40. How I am getting 40 here? This is minus 50, no? Answer is minus 10. How you will get minus 10? When you subtract 40 from 50, you get 10. And answer is negative number. That means here bigger number should have negative symbol. So that is why you will get minus of minus 40. So similarly here you should get 50, means minus of minus, it is already plus. So how much number should be added to 20 so that we get 50? Okay, and how much number, that means which number should be subtracted from 25? ఏ నంబర్ని 25లో నుంచి మైనస్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, which number should be subtracted from 25 so that we get 0? Yes, it is, see I am writing here, minus of minus 25. When you do minus of minus becomes plus, no? So minus 25 plus 25 will be equal to 0. So this is how you have to complete the worksheet. Okay, and which one is greater, which one is lesser, for this you have to do the sums. So how you will do this one? I'll do sum for you. See, this is plus 30, that is this is 5, and this is minus 5. So which one will be greater? Yes, this one will be great. So this is the symbol you are getting. And for here you can see this is 9 and this is 0. So which will be greater here? Again the same symbol, this will come here. So here also you can see that this is 30. This is also 30. So you'll get is equal to here. So this is 5 and this is also 5. So again you'll get equal to. So you do the worksheet, complete it, and if you have any doubt from here till here you have to write. Okay, 6 example sums, that is worksheet sums you have to complete. See this from here to here. Okay, conceptual understanding this page, and this is your homework for today till here. Okay, till here you have to write. This I have done for you, these 2 sums, and this you have to do by yourself. Okay.